It's time to give biryani an upgrade, so let's make butter chicken biryani, and trust me, it's so good. Let's go. We'll start by taking some chicken pieces. To that, we'll add some curd, a little bit of salt, ginger garlic paste, some spices, and lemon juice. Mix it well and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll take our Stahl versatile cooker, heat some water in it, add some spices along with salt, and add your soaked basmati rice. Now cook it until it's half done, strain it, and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll cook our marinated chicken pieces until they're done and cover it with a little bit of coal for that smokiness. Now we'll heat some oil, add some spices, green chilies, some onions, ginger garlic paste, saute it well together, and then add some tomato puree to it. Now cook it on low to medium heat, cover it until it all comes together. Add your chicken pieces to it and a little bit of kasuri methi along with some cream. Mix it well together and your butter chicken is ready. Now remove half of it and then we layer our biryani with some fried onions, some mint and coriander leaves, then layer it up with your rice, some ghee, saffron water, then some kevra water, and repeat the entire process again, also layering it with some garam masala. Once the layering has been done, we'll cover the cooker and put it on the least amount of heat and let that get infused with all the flavors for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Serve it while it's still hot and enjoy.